Hi guys, Pavel from Emotiv speaking. In today's video, we will speak and unbox about this Noctua U14S CPU cooler for Threadrippers and Epic CPUs. So without further ado, let's go and open the box. So let's start with the opening. First, glorious box, don't you think so? And first, after you open the box, you will see the cooler and the accessory box. So let's go deeper inside. First, we need to get out the accessory box. In accessory box, what do we can expect? In accessory box, we can expect a tool for screwing, thermal paste, some extension, and additional clips for the possibility to add the second fan. So let's go and double check it. Okay, first clips plus the Noctua badge. I love them. Noctua thermal compound, the tool for the mounting, and some guidance how you should do that. Okay, put it back to the box and let's go to the cooler. It's pretty solid packing and let's go inside. Whenever you open it, you will directly see the cover of the heatsink, which is connected to the CPU, and how to put it outside. Okay, let's be gentle and hope. Okay, the cooler. There is a extension. I will do this. So extension, standard 4-pin PWM, and nice A15 fan. I hope it is A15. Yes, A15 140mm fan. Nice. But is it something else here? Yes, anti-vibration corners. That probably should be everything from the box, or I hope so. Yes. Okay. We have everything from the box. We have a cooler. We have all the accessories. And now let's go to the and talk about the details of the cooler itself and the fan. And now let's go to the important details what we got with this beautiful CPU cooler. First, where is it? Yes. Probably one of the most important things for us is the height of a fan, because not all cases are high enough to able to store this quite big cooler, because the height is 165 millimeters, so more or less 17 centimeters, which is quite a lot, and not all cases will be able to handle this cooler. And it's quite heavy. With fan, it is more than 1 kilogram. That's a lot. As I mentioned, it is for AM TR4, so Threadrippers, and SP3 CPUs, which is Epics. Okay, next important thing is not that much. Yeah, you have possibility to mount second additional, not a part of this package, fan with a technical name NFA15 as an option. And yes, anti-vibration for the second fan are already included in this package, which is pretty nice. Okay, now let's talk about the fan itself. Max RPM plus minus 1200. It's fine for 140mm fan. Max airflow 140 cubic meters per hour. That's fair, that's a lot. That's very nice. And yeah, it can be quite loud. From what I can see, the fan can be almost 25 decibels. That's a decent, it's not much, but it is noticeable. But with a idle, the Noctua provides us information that the idle could be somewhere around 19 decibels, which is pretty fine. Max input, yeah, lifespan 150,000 hours. That's enough, maybe for all of us together. Yeah. And what next? Yes, you have 6 years warranty for this fan plus CPU cooler, but the CPU cooler itself without the fan is, I would say, life unlimited, so more or less for the fan, which is pretty nice. There are 3 offset mountings, always welcome, and that's probably all necessary information about this Noctua CPU cooler with technical name U14S for Threadrippers and Epics. So guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe and give it a like, and see you with the next one.